Which unique ingredient is in Kit Kat's filling? Which unique ingredient is in Kit Kat's filling? Now we'll give you 4 options and you try to guess which one from these 4 options is the correct answer for the question. And the first option is gelatin. The second option is marshmallow. The third option is more Kit Kats. Can you believe that? Kit Kats covered Kit Kats and inside of it there is another Kit Kats. And the last option is caramel. So from these 4 options, what do you think? Which one is the correct answer for the question? And allow me to tell you what is the answer for the question. And the answer for the question is, yeah, there is more Kit Kats inside Kit Kats. So that's how they fill it in. So that's the answer for the question. More Kit Kats. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click the subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friends, just go ahead, click the share button and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment. Say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you again in another video. Bye bye.